Okay. All right. All right. Oh, boy.
Let's see what that is.
This is a fish, okay. Yeah, well, I'm thinking I'm getting $1 worth of pellets to throw in the water. But that's not how it
Now you
works.
said the stingrays, they can't bite you, right?
What you do is you put it between your fingers and they suck it off.
So if our hand goes inside their mouth, it won't hurt us.
You're going to be able to hear the sucking. Oh, my God. Okay. I'm not really quite sure if I'm going to really like doing this or not, but I don't know. That's the shark over there. We're not going to go near him. Let's go down. Yeah, we'll start out with one of these smaller
Oh,
ones.
get him.
Okay, well, he didn't suck it up. Just look at it.
Do it again. He's waiting for another one.
Yeah. Oh, that one's mad. Look.
Yeah, he's going to suck them off.
Okay. This is the fish. Alrighty, here we go. Come on, buddies. Comes a little one. We'll go with that one. Oh! Oh, well, okay. Lisa. I'm going to let Lisa try it.
I like your reaction better.
You did? Well, let me get you. Let's see what kind of reaction you have.
Okay. Just don't
Let
drop
Lisa
the
try it.
video camera.
I'm not going to. I'd have to be laughing pretty hard to do that,
Okay,
Lisa.
watch, you're still recording.
Okay, we're gonna get Lisa now.
Little pieces?
Yeah, I took the bigger pieces. Now hold your hand flat. No, you put it between your fingers. Put it between your fingers. Yeah.
Got him.
Yeah. Comes in a...
Oh,
Oh.
that one's gentle. He was really
Yeah.
gentle. Oh, he sucked that right out. That's fabulous.
Yeah.
Great.
No more food?
No, it's all done. It's all done, babies. It's all done. I'm sorry, no more. Someone else feed him now. Yeah, someone else. It's nice and slimy.
Yeah, they are slimy. There's the shark over there. Little
It's like a
shark.
catfish.
Those are the little nurse sharks.
No, those are not nice.
That's what she said.
Oh.
Look at this big guy. Oh, he's a pretty one.
Well, let's go to the gator feeding. Wasn't that fabulous? You have fun?
Yeah, it was fabulous.